Now, veneers are quickly becoming the go-to solution for a flawless smile in the Philippines, offering a fast track to a picture-perfect grin. Now, these ultra-thin, custom-crafted shells are designed to enhance the color, shape, and even alignment of your teeth, giving you a smile that's as natural as it is radiant. While veneers are both safe and effective, the key to achieving stunning results lies in choosing a trusted dentist. To tell us more, we have with us Dr. John Rick Cruz, head dentist at Veneer Center. Good morning, Doc. How are you?
Hi, good morning. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for having me.
Of course, thank you for coming. So, Doc, I grew up in the U.S., right? So veneers are not a thing in the U.S. So can you please, first and foremost, tell us what are veneers?
Well, veneers, it's like masking your teeth, no? Just to give you a brief history, it started in U.S. actually in California. There's a dentist named by Dr. Charles Pincus. But the purpose of veneers is for Hollywood only. Hollywood actors, no? There's imperfection do sa kanilang mga teeth, so immediate quick fix yung veneers. Then, that was 1928, sobrang luma na, sobrang tagal na nung veneers. Then, nung 1950s, it's introduced in the public na, for general public, because of their benefits, no? Like I've said, yung benefit niya is quick fix na yung may mga gaps, mga discoloration. So, mabilis na naaayos, no?
So, Doc, how did veneers get so popular here in the Philippines, especially like the past couple years? I've seen more and more friends get veneers. Why is that?
Dahil kay Doc yan.
Ikaw pala, Doc, eh.
Okay. Kasi, of course, Filipinos talaga, lagi ang tinitinan aesthetic, di ba? Yung itsura, no? Pero, of course, we need to discuss din yung benefits niya. Yes, of course, there's benefit, there's pros and cons talaga. So, lagi kung titingnan lang natin yung aesthetic, teka, kailangan maging honest din tayo dun sa consequences ng veneers, no? So, maganda si veneers, pero meron ding consequences, no?
Doc, you know what? I'm curious. Yung veneers ba are different from yung braces? Or yung goal niya the same? Like to align the teeth?
Yes,
Kasi,
yes.
kasi
The
merong
goal is
ibang
the same.
okay.
The goal is the same, no, to align the teeth and of course to look pleasing talaga. But yung process magkaiba. Braces kasi matagal. Talagang years minsan inaabot para
Right,
lang
right.
ma-align yung teeth and maging perfect, no? But sa veneers kasi quick fix siya. Kung immediate kailangan mong maging maganda kagad or maayos kagad, veneers yung solution. Pero syempre, merong tayong i-consider na depende sa case pa rin. Kung sobrang crowded or talagang grabe yung pagkasungki, definitely hindi rin ganon.
Doc, you mentioned it a while ago, and I'm going to dive right into it right now. You mentioned that there are some negatives, or there's some, I guess, not desirable effects of having veneers that people should consider as well. When you advise prospective clients, patients, with regards to veneer, what are the considerations that they have to make before actually agreeing to having veneers? Because it is not a short-term commitment. It will affect their lives even after the veneers are, yung lifespan nila, if I'm not mistaken, it could last from 5 to 10 years depending on the quality of veneers you actually get. Could you give some clarity with regards to that?
Okay, sa veneers kasi, ang problem kasi talaga is kailangan maging honest ka doon sa patient, no? Kasi there's no going back. Kasi remember, shave mo yung teeth, eh, di ba? So, kailangan may planning talaga, start sa planning, then of course, yung advantage, explain mo sa patient, and disadvantage. Yung mga disadvantage kasi ang nagiging problem talaga diyan, yung siyempre yung material talaga niya medyo brittle, 'no? So kailangan mong i-explain sa patient na especially if you're gonna use a composite veneers, kailangan mo explain sa patient na kailangan niya mag-adjust ng diet, 'no? Kailangan i-avoid yung mga hard food, yung mga sticky food. Marami siyang babaguhin sa kanyang diet kung yung mga stainy food. So, ang question is the patient willing, 'no, to adjust? Kasi totally mababago 'yon. Then, yun, yung isang sinabi ko, yung brittle siya. So, kung hindi ka mag-a-adjust, eh, lagi kang babalik at babalik sa dentist nyo. So, kaya kailangan nasasabi siya prior, no? Para at least kung okay kay patient na sige doc, okay lang, basta mag-adjust ako or kung may problem, willing bumalik, then at least malinaw, 'no? Hindi magkakaroon ng issue.
Doc, I wish you saw the reaction of si Monique here nung pinakita namin yung procedure
Ay,
with
kaya
regards with regards to yung sa teeth shaving para sa veneers. But for those who actually do decide to get veneers, ano yung advice nyo in terms of yung aftercare and making sure that you could prolong the veneers? You mentioned it a while ago, medyo brittle nga siya. And how
Yes.
often do you actually end up repairing veneers after the initial procedure?
Well, sa ganyan, siyempre, again, may planning naman, 'di ba? So, titingnan kung bawa yung patient, ano ba yung mga benefit na talagang makukuha niya? Marami ba yung benefit na makukuha niya? Tapos, yung sa preparations, 'di ba shave mo yung teeth? So, pag shave mo yung teeth, merong veneers na hindi mo na kailangan magpauwi ng temporary sa patient, 'no? Kasi minor or minimal lang yung preparation. So, meron naman 'pag like for example, yung case ng patient, talagang bad teeth, may mga caries, may mga sira or di kaya, meron siyang fluorosis, 'no, yung talagang weak enamel. So, yung preparation mo, yung pag-shave mo dun sa teeth niya, talaga medyo sabihin natin hindi conservative. Medyo magiging mangilo yon. So, kung hindi ka maglalagay ng temporary
Yeah.
sa
Yeah.
pasyente, magsa-suffer talaga yung patient, no? Especially pag uminom siya ng cold drinks, yung mga maaasim na food, talagang magrereklamo sa yung patient, no? So, kaya kailangan talaga ano titingnan mo, explain mo dun sa patient talaga na ano yung pwede niya ma-experience. Kailangan i-clear mo lang talaga lahat, 'no? Yun yung nakita ko na kasi hindi biro, eh. Ah, especially kaya hindi naman talaga lahat candidate for veneers, especially kung maganda naman ang ngipin niyo. Kung puwede mo naman ma-achieve din naman yung magandang itsura. For example, medyo dark lang yung ngipin mo, eh, whitening, mas conservative,
Yeah.
'no? Whitening.
Yeah.
Or enhancement lang. For example, medyo short lang yung ngipin niyo, dagdag ka lang, enhance mo lang, dagdagan mo lang, hindi mo kailangang bawasan or i-prepare.
Doc, kanina you mentioned that there are certain foods and beverages na bawal mo i-take if you already are wearing veneers, right? So let's talk about yung maintenance niya. What are some of the common mistakes that patients make in the first few months after getting veneers that can compromise yung results?
Well, marami, 'no? Yung mga food.
Mga pasaway!
Mga pasaway, Doc!
Yung mga food, like yung sinabi ko kanina, yung mga matitigas na mga hard food. Tapos, siyempre yung paggamit din, yung maintenance, no? Importante yan, yung regular na mag-visit sa dentist and yung
Right.
brushing. Yung brushing, make sure na don't use hard bristles. Kailangan soft lang. So mag-a-adjust ka na, magpalit ka ng soft. Tapos avoid yung mga abrasives toothpaste. Kasi since, for
Abrasive
example, kung composite
toothpaste.
nga yung gamit natin, yes, kung composite gamit natin, mabilis siyang magasgas. Once na nagasgas siya, then yung stain mas mabilis. Mabilis magkaroon ng mga stains, no?
Okay.
So, kaya lahat yon yung sa food naman, tinatanong sa food, yung, ayan, yung mga alcohol, coffee, ayan, mga
Wine,
tea,
ayan, bawal.
wine, yan, lahat yan.
May
no?
nagtatanong daw, iced tea, kasama po ba?
Iced tea?
Yes,
Colored kasi
yes,
yun eh.
kasama, no?
Kasi it's
Hala.
brown.
And Coke
Oh.
as
Tuloy,
well.
yung prod natin, di na magve-veneer. pero, pero,
Pero
Doc,
hindi, may mga advantage naman. May
Yeah.
mga advantage naman talaga. No?
Ganda
Like
ka
for
naman.
example, katulad nung,
Yeah.
katulad nung sinabi ko rin kanina, di ba? Yung halimbawa, kung ang case mo talaga is sobrang bad teeth ka at talagang meron kang fluorosis, of course, magbe-benefit ka doon sa veneers kasi parang siya na yung papalit eh. Siya na yung magiging parang outer shell mo eh. Di ba yung normal is yung enamel?
yeah.
So since sira yung enamel mo or talagang compromise na yung enamel mo, so ang magiging kapalit is yung veneers, yung shell niya. Siya na yung magpo-protect sa teeth natin. Pero syempre, kailangan din depende ano bang veneers yung gagamitin natin. So merong porcelain veneers, 'di ba? Merong composite veneers. Pero very common kasi syempre yung kumbaga dito sa atin, yung medyo abot kamay yung presyo, talaga, most patient na uuwi sila sa composite veneers.
Yeah.
Wait, Doc,
Advantage din, yes.
oh, sorry. When you talk about porcelain versus composite, can you dive a little bit deeper into that? Like, what are the materials? Like, I'm just so curious.
Yung difference niya
What
rin,
are the
Doc.
difference?
Resin, composite kasi resin siya eh. So, ang porcelain, again, porcelain, so, matibay talaga. Pag sinabi natin porcelain, yun talaga yung
Like porcelain
Ah,
glass?
hindi siya ganun ka-brittle compared sa composite. So, mas naglalast talaga si porcelain, no? Pero ang advantage ni resin na nakita ko, syempre, every time, madali mag-adjust compared kay porcelain kasi ang porcelain involved, may laboratory involved yan eh. So, pag nabasag yan, palit ka na. Unlike sa composite, pag na-chip siya, doon lang sa clinic, balik lang sa clinic yung patient, i-repair lang ng dentist. Same day, matatapos, no?
Okay.
Magagawa yung, masosolve yung problem.
Yeah. Sir, Doc John Rick, we really appreciate you joining us here today. We wish we had more time. I know a lot of people want to end
Yeah.
up having a smile like Mo, who does not have veneers.
I had
pero,
braces though for 5 years.
pero that is the goal smile. Ayun, there it is. Pa-zoom in pa. Closer, closer.
100%
Come on,
natural.
pa-zoom in pa.
Hala,
Yan.
I ate almonds kanina before miracle.
Doc John Rick, maraming salamat. Thank you very much for joining us here today.
Thank you.
Napa-zoom in.
I love
just
that
ate
conversation.
almonds.
I love, pero ngayon ko lang nalaman na yung veneers pala forever mo na siyang suot.
Yeah.
I mean, I could not
Yeah.
get over the shaving of the teeth
Yeah,
part.
but then of course the
I was like,
maintenance,
yeah.
it doesn't last
It's
forever.
so
You have to
expensive.
be able to change
Maintain,
it. Yeah.
Oh my
Yeah,
goodness.
but you know, we could have had more questions for
I have a
Doc
lot more
John Rick.
questions,
Go
yeah.
check him out on social media
Yes.
and also his clinic as well.